Price is what you pay.
Value is what you get.
Warren Buffett. Let's talk about one of the biggest problems I see in real estate. People buy a property and then ask, why doesn't this cash flow? Like the deal betrayed them. It didn't. Your math did. Most investors don't miscalculate because they're inexperienced. They miscalculate because they were taught the wrong formula. So let me walk you through the real reason deals fail to cash flow and how to fix your numbers in under a minute. First, most people only calculate principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, and then they stop right there. But that's not cash flow. That's optimism disguised as math. Real cash flow includes maintenance, vacancy, management, reserves, turnover cost, and the friction that always exists in the real world. If you don't include those, your numbers will lie to you every single time. Second, investors calculate rent on potential, not on performance. They look at the highest comp and say, well, the neighborhood gets $1,600 a month. But the real question is, what will this specific unit rent for in the next 30 days in its current condition without a miracle? Cash flow exists in the present market, not the imagined one. Third, the biggest killer of cash flow is time. A property sitting empty for 45 days just wiped out a quarter's worth of projected cash flow. If your numbers don't account for time, your expectations will never match your results. Fourth, a lot of deals technically cash flow, but only if everything goes perfectly, and nothing in real estate ever goes perfectly. Real investors build their numbers around normal expenses, normal delays, and normal human behavior, not perfection. Finally, cash flow is not something you discover. Cash flow is something you design. It's built through buying correctly, structuring terms intelligently, knowing the exit strategy, and understanding who the end user is. Deals don't cash flow by accident. They cash flow because someone engineered the structure to withstand real-world conditions.
Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing.
Warren Buffett.